The Vedas are so saying that we have come here to enjoy material things. So therefore, there is prescribed duties. The prescribed duty is that you act, you enjoy life. For example, just like in the Vedas, there everything is there. The propensity of sense enjoyment is sex life, eating meat and drinking. This is the propensity. Material life, these are the propensity. Loke babaya amisha madhya seva nityastu jantu nahi tatra choda. Everyone has got natural. What is it? Natural instinct for sex life, for meat eating and for drink. This is natural instinct. But they are restrained, they are coordinated by the Vedic injunctions. Yes, you will have sex life, but you get yourself married. So there are so many paraphernalia. The subject matter is sex life, everyone knows. Therefore, in Western countries they say legalized prostitution. But actually it is not prostitution. It is regulating the sex life. So be described, yes, sex life you have, but marriage. And then drinking, yes, drinking you may have by worshipping Chandi, offering him liquor, that is all. Not that you go to the liquor shop and drink, no, restrict. Similarly, eating meat also, yes, you can eat meat, just worship Goddess Kali and have a goat sacrifice. So many rules and regulations. Everything is regulated, but they have avoided this. These Vedic injunctions they have avoided. Now they have open slaughterhouse, liquor house, prostitution. That is sinful. It is actually sinful. Either you do this way or that way. But if you act according to the Vedic injunction, the sinful activities are restrained so that gradually you come to the spiritual platform. This is the Vedic principle. So anyway, one has to become free from the sinful activities, then one can understand. But the easiest method of becoming free from sinful activity is to accept this Krishna consciousness movement. Easiest way. Voluntarily give up. It is not what we simply accept these principles, these four restraining principles. No illicit sex, no gambling, no meat eating, and no intoxication. And chant Hare Krishna mantra. Your life is like this is Krishna consciousness.